Hi, welcome to the video. In this video, we will be viewing various panels and applications that a home service application would have. First, we will view the Super Admin Web Panel. The Super Admin Web Panel will allow the admin to completely control, manage and access everything that goes on this platform. He or she can log into the platform using the credentials. The first screen that appears is the dashboard. Super Admin Dashboard can basically see all the statistics. There's a language option for the admin to switch. There's a notification section wherein the admin can check all the notifications. In the settings menu, admin can access his account, can edit the details, can also change the password from the same place. From the site settings section, the admin can change the site. By opening the site in the new tab, the admin can actually check the changes that he has made from the web panel that get reflected in the real time on the website. Admin can also change the social media URLs. Admin has the control to change the tags, whether enabling or disabling the same, the tags type, flat or percentage, how much the tags will be, and the API key can also be edited from the same section. By hitting submit, it lets the admin get the changes reflected in real time. The dashboard has various other menus. So this dashboard allows the admin to go through all the statistics, which includes the total number of bookings, customers, suppliers, number of total requests, whether they are pending, in progress, what is the status, cancelled, delivered, completed. The graph also shows a flat line or the rising or the falling lines. This gives admin a better access and better view of the statistics. The next module on the dashboard is service management, and under service there are 4 submenus. So when it comes to service, these are the main service categories that the admin has allowed on the platform. Admin can also add these services by tapping on the add button and putting in the necessary images, secondary images, the name of the service. The admin can also change the status. He can either keep it active or inactive. He can edit the existing services also. Under sub-services, these are the subcategory under the service. Again, admin has the complete right to change. The admin can also change the sequence of a particular service, and that will also reflect in the real time on the website. As you can see, the notification sequence has been updated, and if you refresh the website, you'll be able to see the updated sequence already. This is that quick. Admin can also add the number of sub-services, and the sub-services can go under a particular category like this. Again, the sequence can be changed in the sub-services and it will be reflecting in real time. Under product category, whatever product that falls under a particular service or sub-service, those details can be viewed by the admin over here. Admin can perform actions like editing or deleting or even adding a new product. A short description can be added of the product. The next menu is units. So units is all about the tons or the liters, the hour, meter. So these are all basic units in which the services or the products are basically listed. Again, the admin has the right to perform any operations like edit or delete a particular unit. He can also add new units in case he has added new services or sub-services. Under users management module, the admin can check the customers, suppliers and service providers modules. So let's first explore the customers. So here are the details of every single customer who uses this particular app who had ever registered or signed up on the application. The admin can also manually add the customer details and create new customers over here in the entries. the customer email address, whether the customer is active or inactive. The status can also be changed from the admin panel by the admin. Under the suppliers submodule, the super admin can basically check all the suppliers who have registered with the platform. This includes the supplier name, email addresses, mobile number. The status can be turned to inactive or can be kept active. So all of these rights are enjoyed by the admin. To create such a robust admin panel or the entire application of your home service app, you must get in touch with the best app development company. The suppliers put service requests and the admin has the full control over performing the action on the same. He or she can also cancel or reject the supplier requests. Over here, the admin can also check every single supplier's earnings, and it is in the hands of admin that the payment can either be released. So these are the details of every single supplier, who has been there for a period of time, for how much amount that person has been there. The admin can basically perform operations on the same. When was that supplier created, when was that booking created, releasing the payment, keeping the payment on hold also comes under the admin. The next module is service providers, wherein there are two providers. First can be the staff member, second can be the freelancer name. Of course, every detail is also listed over here along with the photo of the person and the status as well. By clicking on staff member, the admin can check that that staff member is responsible for what kind of a service and what was the booking that he had completed, the request. The booking ID can lead the super admin to view all the details of that booking. Similarly, going to the service providers, under the freelancers section also, the admin can check what all services has this particular freelancer been providing. If the freelancer has requested to provide any other service, say for example over here we can see a salon service, so you can also edit the rates and timings and prices, the per hour price, the minutes price, or the minutes that that particular service completion will take. So all these details are mentioned over here. Now going to the next module, which is the service requests. So there are different services that are requested by the customers, and the name of the supplier, the service name is all listed in this list, and the admin has the complete rights to perform actions on the same, whether to approve that action or reject that action. Whenever an admin approves or rejects, the concerned person, that means the supplier or the freelancer or the customer, also gets a quick notification on their device. The pop-up asks the admin for a confirmation, and by hitting yes, the operation is successfully deployed. Now under the bookings module on this admin panel, the admin can check the supplier, the customer, and the booking status. So these are all filters that the admin can filter out any particular booking request and view the details. He can also filter it out by either supplier or freelancer's name, and can check a particular supplier or freelancer who has been providing services. He can view the in-detail bookings. The ratings also can be viewed over here. This way the admin can know which freelancer and which supplier are giving the best services on his platform. Now going to the next module, which is plans. This super admin panel has an amazing feature called plans. So these plans are basically the plans that the suppliers and freelancers have subscribed for on this home service platform. This is a very unique feature that even you can add when you launch your own home service providing application. You can get in touch with our experts to know how this exactly works. So over here you can see that there are different plans, like a 1-month service plan, a free plan, a 1-month staff member plan, a 6-month plan, or maybe even an annual plan. So all of these plans have different prices, subscription prices that the subscriber can pay for. And even the super admin can launch new types of plans by adding the details, and this will also reflect immediately on the website. So these new plans can be meant for suppliers also, can be meant for freelancers also. Some plans can also be for the customers. Of course, if it is for a freelancer, then the staff member will remain 0 by default. This is a very interesting feature. This can help the entrepreneur who owns this home service providing app to retain the suppliers and freelancers on the platform, and also help him boost their loyalty towards the platform. Again, the sequence of the plans can be changed. The next module on the super admin panel is of earnings. So the admin can view the earnings of a particular supplier or a freelancer by using the filter that is on the top. By hitting reset, he can view all the booking earnings on the platform, whether the status is paid or pending, whether the supplier has not received the payment, so the admin can release the payment from this admin panel, and the status will immediately change from pending to paid. The banners section is also very interesting. It is very attractive, to be honest, and the banners that every user of the website can see, these banners can be edited or changed by the admin very easily in a matter of few clicks. The sending the push notifications to any service provider, supplier, customer, staff members, it is very easy, since the admin can simply type the message in the admin panel and select who all users will be receiving this notification. FAQ section is of course very important. The platform can display all the basic frequently asked questions in order to solve the queries of any user who comes on the website. So that can also be edited from the admin panel, and the status of the question can be made active or inactive in order to display or to not display that particular question on the site. Next section is complaints section on the admin panel, which is of course very important, because it's important to receive feedbacks or receive any kind of complaints from the users. There are also testimonials that the admin can add or edit. This can be done again in a matter of few clicks. The subscriber module is basically the newsletter subscribers, or the users who want to receive emails and offers from the website. So I can show you in real time that it is so quick that the user can fill in his email address, and it reflects in real time at the admin panel, that the admin panel sees the subscriber details. The terms and conditions under the pages section, the privacy policy, so admin has the complete whole and sole right on this, so these can also be edited right from the admin panel. By hitting update, it reflects in real time. It's as simple. That's it. This is how the admin panel of the home service application works.
So guys, this is all about the core features of our platform home service applications. Other than that, there are many advanced features like subscription plan for supplier and freelancer, calendar management for supplier and freelancer, etc. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please get in touch with us to discuss more in a brief.